Okay guys, so listen, an oil change using OEM Aston Martin parts and everything, guess how much it is? I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna let you guys kind of just ponder it for a second. How much do you think I paid? All right, if you said $400, you would be correct. I just spent $400 to get an oil change done on my Aston Martin. But you know what? At least it's done by a professional. Clean Carfax. Let's go. Guys, we are headed to Cars and Coffee Morrisville this morning. We are taking the Aston, of course, and this is probably one of the best Cars and Coffees around because they have all sorts of cool cars. This is the one we went to about a month ago. That we saw like the 918 and stuff like that. So we are going there to see what kind of cool stuff we have. We have some plans for this weekend, which is nice. We have a 3-day weekend. We're gonna be test driving some cars and whatnot, just kind of playing around. But until then, let's just see what we got for this show. All right, so we've arrived. We've got a bunch of dope cars behind us. All right, but we got a huge parking lot. It's full. It is absolutely full. We got some classics. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Great day. Sorry, it's gonna be a great day. If you look closely, you'll see yourself a Bordeaux right there. What's up, little guy? How you doing? All right, so we're here with the Aston. Gotta find some friends. I saw a bunch of people over at the entrance. I'm gonna walk over here because over here is like tends to be where all like the supercars and stuff park. We did see a Gallardo coming in, so we'll check that out in just a few. But yeah, let's see what else we got going on. Every time I see Matt, he always looks like he's on a mission. Does he not?
He is.
SLP, what's up, dude?
What's up?
How you been?
Good.
This guy disappeared for a long time.
Oh no, I gotta go slide.
Yeah.
This is the man right here. This is the guy who hosts everything.
How's it going?
If you haven't been here to this is probably one of the best Cars and Coffees, if not the best Cars and Coffee on the East Coast.
Thank you. We try to get everybody here, and got about 700 plus spots, and pretty much filled all of them up today.
Yeah, it's pretty packed, dude.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so that's the guy who hosts the event here. It's always great. It's always chill. There's never any drama here. It's perfect. This is how a car meet should be. It's how it should go. human beings. I haven't seen you in so long. I don't care about you anymore. What is up, you gorgeous little guy? Why did you bring your dragon?
Why wanted to be in the sun.
Why wouldn't we bring a dragon?
Oh my god, what's up, dude? What's up, buddy? Nice, I like it. What are you drinking, dude?
Pumpkin cream cold brew.
Are you
like
kidding?
the basic I am.
At least you admit it. I appreciate you for that.
Self-awareness, that's all that matters.
Oh. What are you doing up there, dude?
It's just being
Yes. Look at little guy. If you look, sometimes people like my car. Sometimes. So. Dickhead. Guy. I want him to go. Alright, so this is my first time sitting inside of a Gallardo. Oh wow. Dude, I like all this carbon fiber work they did too. That's gorgeous. Now the other model don't have that. It's all silver, correct? Like the older models, it's all silver? Oh yeah? This is sick. Oh god, really? Dude, this would be sick. So, this is actually like really sick. We have sport mode, we have Corsa mode. The reverse is a button over here. It's kind of an interesting little feature about this car.
Put the reverse back up, and once you back up, you can just either hit a paddle and then go into first.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, I like the carbon fiber on the paddles too.
Pull both paddles to get in the neutral.
Oh,
I added those little extent that really it's only about that high.
Oh, really?
I added.
Jeez. This is gorgeous though. I like this spec. It's really nice. It's just very light red stitching with the carbon fiber. That's gorgeous, man. So what do you guys think? Get rid of the Aston and go to the Gallardo? Don't know. I will say that this is absolutely gorgeous. The spec is amazing. Seriously, what do you guys think? Should I get rid of the Aston and go with the Gallardo? Or go with like a Turbo R8 or something and make a lot more power, but it's not as cool because it's a V8 R8. I'm not really sure, but I will say the Aston looks so good. Oh, this color. Kidding me, dude. Front fender vents are absolutely maddening. Look at those. God. So sick. Absolutely insane. Dude, that suspension work?
Yeah, the whole chassis is aluminum extruded, and then the whole car's carbon fiber.
Oh my god.
You should see up under the back. I mean, it's crazy.
Dude, that is insane, man. The highlighter yellow? Look at this. It was hard to see, guys. The solid Wow. This is cool. This is so cool. Oh, this thing is dope. Good seat. Oh, that thing's cool as hell. Look what I found.
I'll tell you why though. Come
Here
on.
we go.
I like my Supra.
What's your
So
reasoning?
let me explain it to you. So they are fantastic cars. They are very beautiful cars, very powerful, a lot faster than my car, of course. But the only downside about it, the inside of the car, it's very tight. Especially, I'm not even big. I mean, I have weight. Yeah, it's just
It's a driver's car though. It's literally a driver's car.
If you get it in a fifth,
It's a classic. That's the whole point of it.
no. Exactly what I need. I have a
But
beautiful
if he
car.
wants a classic,
How many
you can
Corvettes
get
do you have?
Huh?
How many Corvettes do you have?
Right now 3.
So get rid of one and get a Viper.
No, I mean,
Jeez, I don't
hold on.
want to hear it. Cool. Aston's cool and all, but have you ever seen a bag Challenger?
No.
So if you look over here, we have this thing with his mirrors folded in like a sad dog.
You see, here's the funny thing. My hands look like this, so my wife could have hands look like
What do you
this.
mean your hands look like that? What do you mean? What does that even mean? I give up. Anyways, this right here is a launch edition Supra
2020.
2020.
This is the wife car. This is Habibi 2. This one is number 1152.
That's so sick.
For more info, wait for the vlog. For more info, wait for the vlog.
That's really it. I guess I'll see you guys next week. Be cool, stay safe. I'll talk to you soon.